I'm Mr. Spartacus. I empower youth through nature and outdoor activities. What did you have? Instead of beer pong, why don't you play with this? Ping pong. Why don't you work out instead of doom scrolling all day?
Let's go inside.
Don't be lazy. Take a stairs.
1 hour later.
That's it. I'm tired.
Welcome to our project called Empowering Youth Through Nature and Sport Activities. Planting trees and building a sustainable future. Building a strong team through outdoor activities such as volleyball. Sharing our unique experiences from our diverse backgrounds. And building up meaningful connections. During our intercultural nights, we are showing off our traditions and introducing everyone to our national dishes and activities. And traditional rituals. You can't forget the local dishes that are so enjoyable you could even forget that you were tired from exercising before. This is an experience like no other. Apply, bring your friends, make new bonds, enjoy life.